Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before we get started. So by the title of this video, you already know that I am going to be talking and doing like a tutorial on this WetNWild Megaglo bronzer and highlighting palette. So let's get started. Hey guys, so I wanted to do another video on this WetNWild contour and highlighting contour palette by WetNWild. I did a review on it the other day, and I have been researching on how you're really supposed to do it, because I just take my foundation brush by Saucony Kesh and I just put it like, I'll show you. I just patted both colors, the highlight and the bronzer, and back to the highlight, and I just rubbed it on my face for an even look, and it looks amazing. So, but I wanted to test out a little bit different, because I've been watching different videos, and it's amazing how it turns out. But I did do a review on this. I've used it a lot of times. You can hop on over there. It's the WetNWild Megaglo review, and like in the review part, like I say, it works really well, but there are some things to it. Like I've used it, like I get it for like a week, and I use it for a couple of days, and then it starts breaking off into pieces. I don't know why. Then it kind of turns like almost to sand. So yeah, so I really like this product, but it has some flaws to it. So yeah, so I already did a little bit for a different video. I'm using the Saucony Kesh angle brush, and so I'm just gonna start out with the bronzer, and I'll show you. This is what it is again. So I'm just lightly, and the bronzer part is very pigmented, so I am just going to start out with my cheekbone. See how like dark pigment that is? It's kind of scary, guys. So now, and see how my brush is at an angle? So now I'm going to do my forehead again. Show you. Oh boy, that's really dark. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some on my nose and pray it's not too dark. Like, sometimes when it breaks off, I just use it until it's completely gone, and it actually turns my skin orange. So then I have to go back with my foundation and my flat top brush by Saucony Kesh. I did a review on that, so if you want to see it, hop on over there. I did it a while back when I was in California. So there you go. It's really pigment. So now I'm just gonna go back in with my highlight lighter, vanilla. See how white that is? And I'm just going to go like this. Then I'm going to go like that. Then I'm going to go like this. Probably not doing a very good job, but at least I'm trying. I've never done it this way. I just, like I said, I just blend it all together. So now I'm gonna go up like this, like I'm making a flower. Right here, the highlighter, and it is on my I'm gonna add some more bronzer and add it on my cheekbones. And I'm going to add some more vanilla highlighter. And I'm going to come back and blend it all for you. Okay, so the reason why I wanted to come back was I wanted to take a picture of all of this before I blended it, but it didn't really look good. So now I'm just going to take my angled contouring Saucony Cash brush, and I'm just going to dart in like this and blend it all together. I kind of like it like this. I don't know if you guys can see that well because I'm looking in the mirror. So, wow, that turned out pretty good. I'm gonna start doing that this way instead of using both colors. Like I said, I usually go like this, and like this, and back. And then I'll show you. I usually go all over like that. And I usually use this brush. It's a flat top brush. But now, since I got the Saucony Cash angle brush, and I do have, like I said, I don't know if I said, I have the contouring brush with a by Saucony Cash, and this one isn't angled, so I'll probably do a review on that. So now I'm going to put my eyeshadow on and come back with the end result. I just don't want to bug you guys, or bore you guys with that. So I will be back. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of this Megaglo WetNWild highlighter and bronzer contouring palette. I did it a different way, as you can see in the previous slides, and this is how it turned out. And actually, I like it better than just taking the two colors with my flat top brush and by Saucony Cash. This one, it's getting old. I have another one that I used. But I like it way better, and maybe by using this Saucony Cash angle contouring brush will work better, and it won't this won't fall apart. So if you have any questions, comments, put them down below. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. Thanks for watching.